So yeah, I've been doing some dashing. This is only like my second day of door dashing. It may be too loud because yeah, I'm in the car wash and my car needs to be clean. I love this car wash because like it has all those colorful lights and everything. But anyways, I'm just waiting to see if I get some more dashes. I'm not exactly in an area that's like a high dashing area, you should say. So I don't know if I'm gonna do this much longer. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be door dashing all the time, but I kind of do like it. Like it gets me out, it gets me moving. But other than that, I mean, I just hope that it picks up and I can like set a daily amount that I want to reach each day, and then I can actually reach that amount. But until that happens, this is what it is. Okay, so I'm just really just in between dashes getting a car wash. So I'm just waiting on my next one, and my thing is about to end in about 10 minutes, my schedule. So maybe I'll pick this thing back up when I get home. Really don't have anything planned for today. Just been kind of doing things in between door dashing. But other than that, I don't know what to tell you, okay? If you're a DoorDasher out here, give me some tips. Tell me how this thing actually is. Your true opinions down in the comments down below. But other than that, I'm going to hop off this vlog so that I can focus and just soak in the smells from this car wash. Okay, so peace. I'll be back some other time. I hope you can hear me because this thing is loud. It's loud, fam. Oh, try my ride. Try me on. Make sure y'all get every inch dry. Okay. Alright. Now it's back to the cribbo. So I already cleaned out the inside. I done that earlier. So I don't need to clean out the inside. So I'm about to go back to his house. It's so bumpy right here. Bumpity bump. But yeah, I already cleaned out the inside, so I'm actually about to head back to the crib. So I will get back on here in a minute. I just wanted y'all to have the car wash experience with your girl, okay? These look shiny, bro. That's what happened when I be out in that heat. But anyways, back at the crib. And when I got back here, I went to go check my mail, and I got my DoorDash kit. Okay, so I don't know how long I'm gonna be a dasher. I'm just doing this to get some extra ends in my pocket. You know what I'm saying? A little extra spending money, maybe spend on some clothes. All right, so that I can show you guys how to rock these outfits and things like that. But I just want to show you what's in this kit. So of course you get the infamous DoorDash bag. It came with a mask, y'all, and some hand sanitizer, and my DoorDash red card for when people don't pay. DoorDash gotta pay, so that's that. Hopefully I won't have to use that. So it zips open. It has like this kind of insulated to keep the heat in or whatever. I watched some reviews. I don't see too many people using these bags when they roll up to people's house, but I don't know, I might. But I'm definitely gonna be wearing this mask so they can already know, like, recognize the logo and know who I am. And then I'm glad they put this in there. You know what I'm saying? Safety first. Safety first. So yeah, technically I'm still dashing right now. I'm just waiting on some orders to come in. I think I got my most orders like during that lunchtime rush. But a few more may come in. I'm still getting like that extra peak amount. Earlier it was like an extra $2.50. I think it's an extra $1 now, but it is what it is. Yeah, I'm still not taking no orders below $5. Not doing that. So, and yeah, that's pretty much it until I get back out there in these streets. It is the next day, and I'm planning to get these outfits ready. And then I think if you follow me on Instagram, it's in my intro, Magical Beans. I think I'm gonna start doing flat lays, which are just pictures of the outfit ideas. Okay, so if that's something you're interested in doing, follow me on my Instagram. Okay, right on the intro, Magical Beans. But yeah, I'm just going through this here and just trying to give you some outfit ideas with some of the things that I recently shown you in the last video. So I don't know if this is going to be part of a vlog. I just got done dashing, and I start back in about another 15 minutes. So I'm trying to figure out a way where I can make a certain amount from dashing and then also deal with everything else that I have to do and all of that. So, but yeah, I'm gonna get these outfits out. I promise that I'm gonna get these outfits set up, and some of them I already been posting. Almost choked on this gum. But then I got to thinking, like, if I keep posting every day the outfits, then you're gonna already see the outfits, and then it would be kind of redundant to repeat the same outfit. So that's why, oh my gosh, that's why I haven't been posting my YouTube shorts, but I like them, so I'm probably gonna go back to doing it after this video. So I'm just gonna give you some of the looks that I came up with. I'm trying to do different. I'm gonna try to do different. This light keeps on turning because it's not stable. So anyway, I'm gonna try to give you different. I'm gonna get off of here, probably grab a banana or something. I'm not really hungry. It's kind of been working like, bro, I just got stuff everywhere. Stuff on my lips, stuff in my eyes. Lord. But yeah. I'm also gonna go out and look for some props. I don't know why I feel like I need props, but I want something, you know, something for these photos to add to these photos rather than just the clothes, the shoes, and all of that. So yeah, I'll see you when I come back. So I'm just trying on these glasses I found in my car. I don't really wear shades that much, but I do have them. And then I like these because they just skinny and flat. And then I just like that kind of like octagon, you know, shape of them. And then the brown tint. Ooh. But yeah, I'm cleaning pretty much most of the glasses I found in my car that I do not wear. These, and actually when you look through these, it's just really black, but it has like this mirror tint on them, as you can see me holding my phone as I talk. So I got these, and I do like these. I just cleaned those, and then I got a few more pair. I mean, I guess I can just throw this in the vlog. So I don't like putting my mouth on stuff. Okay. Oh, my lip look like it's peeling again. I'm getting some new lips again. Anyways, so these I gotta kind of clean up. Were in my car. All these glasses in my car, I don't even wear them. These were in my car. They have like this glitter inside the frame. And then this pair I keep pretty, like this like one of the newer pairs, but I do match my shirt. I wear these. Hold on. Let me put these on for y'all. Let me put these on. Trying to do this with one hand. Oh yeah. Hold on, it's catching my hair. I do like the way these look. They are a little like big for me, but I do like the way they look. They are a little big, but I actually prefer these because they fit my face better. But yeah, just some of the stuff I found in my car while I was out dashing and cleaning out my car and digging through my glove compartment, and you know, I'm gonna clean these glasses and then I'm gonna put them back in this case. It's just like a little cheap case, like a makeup case almost. And I'm just gonna put them all in there after I clean them. Just clean them with like this little microfiber towel, and I'm kind of like separate them with this as well to keep them from clunking on each other and getting scratched. But anyways, I'm kind of like in between dashes, so I'm about to just chill and maybe learn something on YouTube. I get my hair right. But anyways, this ain't the best lighting. I should have put my light on here and used it, but yeah, that's what I've been doing. Out dashing. Went and got some, you know, like the squeeze stuff that you squeeze into your drinks to give you like more electrolytes or whatever. I went and got some of that for myself and for my son because he's in football now and he needs that, because he told me the school was just giving them water that smells like pool water. That's his words that came out of his mouth. He said the school water that they giving them smells like pool water, which I believe it, because when we turn on our cold water, it smells very chlorinated. It smells like it got a lot of chlorine in it. So they probably just filling up them coolers with regular sink water and giving it to them kids. So I told him that I would get him like some Gatorades and things like that so that he can bring with him so that he doesn't have to drink that water if he doesn't want to. And also I got like those drink packs that he can put in the water to you know, at least get some electrolytes back into his body. You know, put some sodium back into his body from all the sweating and all of that. But yeah, that's pretty much what I did. I went out and got some more fruits. Right now I'm about to eat this. This is supposed to be a white peach, but I don't know, because I think it's a white nectarine. But anyways, it tastes like a white peach. It just don't have that fuzzy texture. It feels more like a nectarine. And this is what they've been giving me when I do like the Walmart grocery pickup orders and I ask for white peaches. This is what I've been receiving, okay? And then I'm just gonna eat a banana for right now, and then later on I bought some more fruits. I bought some like baby plums. I'll show that to y'all later, but I thought it was interesting. I was like, I'm gonna try these. And then I bought some blueberries and some what's the other things? Blackberries. I bought some blueberries and some blackberries, okay? I already got some kiwi, some golden kiwi in the fridge. I got some cantaloupe I actually need to throw out, and some honeydew melon I need to throw out because it was just not ready at all to be eaten, and now it's just out of there. I also got some pears. So today my goal and my intention that I said this morning was to eat more fruits, or possibly just eat fruits today, like nothing else, no sugar, no candy. Yesterday I went overload on the sugar. I ate like a Reese's Take 5 bar. I was eating some other Reese's like mixed popcorn and pretzels and stuff like that. And then what else did I eat? I ate some cotton candy that wasn't great. It was kind of nasty, I ain't gonna lie. It was like some Halloween cotton candy. It was orange and purple. They just tasted weird. So I only ate like a piece of that. I didn't even eat the whole thing. And then, yeah, I just was doing too much sugar. Like, I feel like I needed, like my son, I needed that electrolytes because I was out in the heat for a while. But, drinking the Gatorades, but I feel like there's just too much sugar in those as well for me. So I don't want no parts in it. Alright? I normally just drink straight water. That's how I do it. But I know that my body needs that extraness. So, yeah. But anyways, about to get these fruits in my mouth and eat that and watch some YouTube. Until next time. Peace. Okay, I'm on. So before I end this vlog and this video, I want y'all to see what I just threw together to eat in my kitchen. So I just grabbed a bunch of my healthiest things and I threw it in a bowl. So hold on one moment. Let me turn this thing here around. Okay, so what I have here is some croutons, some mango, some salmon, some ranch dressing, some cheese, and some spring mix. It has lettuce, and I don't know how this gonna taste, but yeah. So I'm just wondering, like, if I should try it on camera to see if it's busting. So I'm gonna try and pick up a little bit of everything here, as much as I can. Okay, so this is what I got. Got the mango. Got the, oh, you can't even see it. Got the mango, got the tuna, got the salmon, got the mango, got the, yeah, everything. Hold on. That is actually good, bro. So the salmon has like this salty seasoning taste, and you mix it with that sweetness of the mango and then that tanginess of the ranch. That's a nice combination of flavors right there. I like that. But anyways, that's the end of this vlog. I'll see you in the next one. If you want to see anything in particular, comment down below. And I'm out. Peace. Got me feeling like it's Sunday evening. Sun going down, but ain't nobody leaving.